Roidmi sells hair dryers? What is a negative ion? Look at my hair, it's much smoother than ever. The Roidmi A100 has really surprised me today. Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and I'm an actress and model. Today I'm going to be trying out the Roidmi hairdryer A100. So as we know, Roidmi is a very innovative company and they are so good at making vacuum cleaners and robot vacuum cleaners. So I'm just really curious, is this hairdryer going to be as good as the other Roidmi cleaning products? So now I think it's time to get started. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this box. And right here in the front of the box is the Roidmi hairdryer. As we can see, it has a very sleek and sophisticated design. Right here are the temperature and the airflow setting buttons, and then this is where the airflow will come out. So it's a very beautiful design. It is lightweight. It is going to be great to take on trips, very convenient to travel with. So I'm so excited to use it. And now for the second layer of the box. Right here is the power cord. So I'm going to go ahead and open it so you guys can see what it looks like. Yeah, just like this. Again, it's very sophisticated, very simple design. It is lightweight, so again, very convenient for traveling. I'll put the hairdryer right here. And for the next box, we have the styling nozzles. So this one is a styling nozzle. It is perfect for making more straight and sleek hairstyles. It looks like this and can be attached perfectly to the hairdryer. And the second one, this is the gentle nozzle. So this one is great if you have kind of naturally curly hair and you want to keep that curl, or if you're kind of just looking for something more gentle on your hair. Yeah, it's very good for styling curly hair. So it looks like this. So I'll put those here. Next, we have the instruction manual, and everything that we want to know about this hairdryer is inside here. So if there's any questions or any problems, we can just take a look and we have all the information right here with us. Now I'm going to open the third level of the box. And here is the travel storage bag. It is a great design. Black design with kind of a leather feel to it. Right here is the Roidmi logo. Perfect for storing the hairdryer and all the accessories. Inside here it has a wall mount, which we can use to mount on the wall like this. Store the hairdryer inside and the accessories. It can keep your sink or your vanity table very clean and very organized. So I really love this. Yeah, that's everything that is in our box today. I'm so excited to give it a try. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is so wet right now. It's just dripping with water. So I'm really excited to try out this new hairdryer. First of all, we can see here that it has different wind speed settings. It has 2 different settings of speed. And then here, this button is where we can control the temperature. It has cold, warm, and a hotter kind of temperature. So first I'll be showing you the lower speed setting. Okay, so as you can see, the air was already really strong. I can tell it can dry my hair really quickly. And now I'm going to try the higher speed. Wow, my hair is flying. I can already tell this is gonna blow dry it so fast. So again, we also have our 2 attachment nozzles. This first one is the gentle setting nozzle, and it can just blow dry your hair with more of a gentle pace. It can just blow dry your hair very quickly and very gently. The second nozzle here, this is the styling nozzle. This is good to get a more straight and more sleek kind of hairstyle. Today I'm going to be using the gentle setting. And they are both attached by magnet. You can see they just click onto the hairdryer so quickly and so conveniently. Yeah, so this is great. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the fast setting at the warm temperature. So here we go. It only took 5 minutes. Usually it takes me at least 20 minutes to dry all of my hair, and I can tell that it is smoother and shinier than ever. So at first I wasn't sure that Roidmi could create a product apart from their cleaning products such as vacuums and other products, but this hairdryer is amazing and I'm a huge fan of Roidmi. So if you have any trouble with managing your hair, if you're like me with too much hair or have frizzy hair, the Roidmi would be a great product choice for you. Right now, the price is $179 because of an early bird discount on Indiegogo. So, according to the information on the Roidmi website, the built-in ion generator of the hairdryer will release over 10 million negatively charged ions. It effectively gets rid of static electricity in the hair and contains frizzy hair. Very innovative. And the best part, it only weighs 330 grams. So even though it only takes 5 minutes to dry all of my hair, I still hope that the hairdryer is designed to be lightweight. So we can see that the A100 is perfect. Also, the temperature is very stable, soft, and comfortable. I can say I am more than satisfied with the Roidmi A100 hairdryer, and I'm so excited that I got to try it. So thank you.